Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Amazing Kids. And today at school, we had a book fair, and I got this book from the book fair.
Alright.
And it's called Rock on Gems.
And the subtitle is Earth's Most
Valuable
Treasures. Okay.
And here's some of the rare rocks right there. One of them is an amethyst crystal. And one of them is a crystal quartz. And one is lemon jade. And the last one is carnelian.
Yeah, so that's 4 of them, guys.
Yeah.
So.
I'm going to be unboxing these.
Okay.
So
Let's see.
see if I can do it.
So nice. It's a cool book. It comes with 4
Rare
kinds.
rocks.
Very shiny, guys.
And amethyst is pretty rare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And amethyst, guys, is Mommy's birthstone.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay, so let's take this thing off.
Alright.
That's what they
Yeah.
look like.
Look at the guys. Let's see if we have. It's close up. Close and personal, guys. Maybe we can take it out. Let's see.
So that's the amethyst crystal.
Look at that, guys.
That's
The
the.
amethyst crystal. Look at the color.
It's the darker it is, the more valuable it is.
Yeah.
The darker.
It's like purple color.
Yeah, dark.
So that's what the amethyst look like, guys. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, it's more valuable if it's darker.
Yeah, it's my birthstone, guys. Very shiny. Alright, let's check. The next one is... What's the next one?
The next
Crystal
one.
quartz.
So here's the crystal quartz.
So the crystal quartz, guys.
It's
Put it
kinda
in my
smooth.
palm so we can see it better. So look at that, guys.
There you go.
There you go, guys. Look at that. That's the crystal quartz. It's got a little shimmery, sparkly. Like if you turn it around, see. You can see the sparkly. Look at that, guys. Very shiny. It's got a little sparkly shine in it. And of course, there's a roughness, of course.
And
Cool. Next,
next
we
one,
have the
lemon jade.
lemon jade.
So here's the lemon jade. Looks like lemon.
Oh, the crystal quartz is just like clear, little bit clear, like transparent. That's the color, white. And then the lemon jade is kind of like solid white. Right, Kuya? Not transparent. It's the solid version. And it's, you know, jade is like a little greenish color in it. But you can see little white. But greenish. Light greenish. So that's what they...
lemon jade is.
Just making sure. Okay, so that's the lemon jade, guys. Look, it's got still a little sparkly. See? See the detailed, guys. Of course, always have the roughness. But you can see, look at the shimmery, sparkly, little tiny sparks in it. Just like the rest of what we have, the rest of the 3 of them. Okay, next. The last one we have the carnelian. Show them what it looked like.
That's what it looks like.
Look at the carnelian, guys. So
It's kind of red.
it's kind of reddish, but it kind of looks like a little Yeah, it's reddish. Just light, not very dark. Just light red.
Not dark like the amethyst crystal.
Yeah, this is just the lighter red. So look at that, guys. For a second, it looks like a little tiny piece of pork, but just on this side, like a slice of pork. But see, that's what it looks like, guys. Carnelian. Turn it around so you can see better. Look at that, guys. I didn't see the spark in it, Kuya. Did you?
You might need to wash it off.
I didn't see a spark. I really didn't see any spark.
You might need to
Yeah,
wash it
guys. The carnelian, guys. The carnelian is kind of rough and dry. I mean, all of them are rough, but this one is kind of extra rough and dry, extra dry. I didn't see any spark. As you can, if you look at it, you can't see any spark. I didn't see any spark.